Hi and welcome to this new course on how to create the contact form with the attachment. Basically, we're going to be creating the online form where you can select files and submit the inquiry. An email which is sent to the designated email address will contain the attachment, which we obviously attach to it through this form. Now, what we're going to be using for the attachment, we will use the Uploadify jQuery plugin in order to be able to upload files. I'm going to demonstrate in a moment how it's going to work. What we also going to be doing is we are going to create this form with 3 different libraries. Basically, if you have already a system in place which uses any of the 3, you will be able to choose the one which is obviously best for you, which suits your needs best. So if we have a look at this drop-down menu email class here, we're going to be integrating this with PHP Mailer, then we're going to integrate this with the Swift Mailer, and finally we're going to integrate this with Zend Mail. Let me demonstrate how it's going to work. If we select any of these classes, let's say PHP Mailer, I'm going to put some name here as well, some telephone number, and an email address, and some inquiry. Let's say test inquiry using PHP Mailer. Now I want to select some files. If I click on the select files, I'm going to select image, document, and PDF. As you can see, the other files with the .mp3 extension, .xml, are graded out, which means we are not able to select them even if we would like to. This is because in the Uploadify plugin we can specify which file formats we want to allow to be uploaded through this plugin, basically. Now if we click on open, you can see they're uploading. Once they've been uploaded, the relevant icon representing the extension of the file is listed on the left hand side. Then we have a file name, we have its size, and then we have this button on the right which allows us to remove any of the files we've uploaded. So let's say I'm going to remove this one, and I'm only left with this JPEG and PDF file. Now another thing worth knowing, obviously this whole form is going to be submitted using Ajax. That's why we didn't use the traditional approach for the upload. We're using this Uploadify here to allow us process the whole form using Ajax. Now that we are ready, we also have, before I move on and click Submit Inquiry, we also have 2-layered form validation. So first layer, which will be JavaScript based, and then we're gonna also process the validation on the server. If I now click Submit Inquiry, as you can see, we get the message. After a short moment, the message will fade out and the page will reload. We'll see the form again. Now if we go to our mail client, you can see the new email has arrived. We have 2 attachments. If I have a look at this one, we've got obviously this image and test PDF. The image will be automatically obviously visible in this specific email client. PDF can be obviously previewed in Thunderbird at least. So that's why we can only save this file basically if we want to. But that's how it's going to work. Now let's move to the next video and start working on it.